Hi friends, good evening. This is Prakash here from GP Techs, and this is my first video. Today I'm going to share and review about one of the Bluetooth speaker, Oraimo, and I got this speaker from Amazon for 800 rupees. So I just wanted to share about this speaker, how is the performance and other things. So this is a speaker and Oraimo. The model is Oraimo OBS 33S. So this is the one. This is the model, and let's see what the speaker has now. So you open. So we have a small box here. Let me check what we have in this. Okay, so we have you have a user manual. So it got all the details like what and what those things are available here. So okay, so maybe if you have time you can just go through this and then I don't want to waste much time on this. So next one is we have, yeah, okay, so we have the charging USB cable and good. What we have next, and okay, so we have an aux cable as well, 3.5 jack. So these are things what we got in box, and yes, so here we go. So this is the speaker, and looks pretty well, and it has a good design. Okay, we have an option for TF, no, the memory card, aux cable, charging port, and on and off button. Here we have here it's in here, so if you need to just switch it off. We have a mode for call, next tracks, previous and next track, volume up and down, and we have the modes to change which mode you want to play. If you want to aux or Bluetooth, or you want to play it from from the memory card. So let me switch on this and show you how this speaker works. So before going this, and I just wanted to share you, it is a 3-watt speaker and it's good. Actually, it feels good in hand as well, and hope this has some good bass. Let me switch on this and show you. Okay, so once you switch on, you will be notified.
Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
So once you on, it will notify.
Paired.
So once you on it, it will send a notification for pairing, and it's on, and it got paired. So there's a light indicator when it gets paired. So let me play some video of this. So I paired this with one of my Redmi phone, and here's the model, and it has been connected. So this is the model name, and let me play you
I'm Rick Dalton. It's my pleasure, Mr. Schwartz.
Call me Marvin. Put it there. That your son?
No, it's my stunt double, Cliff Booth.
Last night we watched a Rick Dalton double feature. All the shooting. I love that stuff, the killing.
A lot of killing.
Anybody order fried sauerkraut? Come, you Nazi bastards!
Seems this world got you down. You're feeling bad vibrations.
Are you an actor?
No, I'm a stuntman.
Girl, look at me.
So you still with Rick, huh? Still here.
You can do anything you want to him.
We're gonna have a flame.
Where there ain't no tree
Charlie's gonna dig you.
and that gospel group telling you what it is. The lost and gone, the lost traveling salvation show.
as you can hear, the bass is pretty well on the speaker, and it's so good. Actually, I was using a Philips speaker, but it got damaged, so I wanted to buy a new one. So I got this one, and when I saw this, and I really liked it, and I didn't do any testing, so I just wanted to just test and show you, because I didn't get any reviews of this particular speaker from the YouTube. So just wanted to make one, and I just wanted to show you this. So yeah, and one more thing I missed. So here is the mic. So so you can pair it with your laptop. If you want to attend any meetings, you can use the speaker, and sounds pretty well, and it's so nice as well. So this it, friends. So if you like this video, kindly like it, and you can share it as well. And if you have any negative, you can just you can just put your comments over there, and I leave it to you here. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll get back to you on next product as well if I get new one. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.